Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic paste and how to make it last for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Jehan. If you would like to try any of my recipes, I usually have it linked below in the description box. The first thing I'm going to do is to peel the garlic, and I found this trick online where you place the garlic into a bowl and you shake it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Now I did it using a plastic bowl, but I found that this works really well using 2 metal bowls. It usually takes the peel right off. You can also remove the peel by smashing the garlic with the side of your knife blade. Since we're going to blend this in the food processor, it's okay if the garlic is smashed. Now, why take the time to prepare the garlic, you may ask? As we all know, prepping ahead does help later on, and it does cut back on time. I've placed the garlic into my blender, and I'm also adding oil, and I'm using a neutral oil. You can use a neutral oil which has a really light flavor, such as canola oil, vegetable oil, or grapeseed oil. There are 2 reasons why I'm adding oil. The first is to help the garlic blend better in the food processor. The second reason is to help the garlic last a little bit longer in the fridge. Without the oil, the garlic will last for about 5 days. Now, if you add the oil, it will be about 2 weeks, but you must keep the garlic in the refrigerator whenever you're not using it. You can also freeze the garlic in ice cube trays, and this way you have a small portion for whenever you cook. You can just pop that portion into your food and go from there. I'm going to add a little bit of oil on top of the garlic and then place this right into the fridge. Thank you for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know this week's video is a little bit more simple, but if you need any more tips and tricks, they will be on my blog, jehancancook.com, and I will see you guys next time.